Welcome back to the REVan channel. We are at Carlisle, Pennsylvania for the All Ford Nationals. The weather is great. It's going to be a fun day, so come along for the ride.
Yeah, coming in hot, just like the fajita. I'm right where I live.
All right, my judge's pick, celebrity guest pick, and I'm picking this right here. 72 Gran Torino, awesome car. How are you? What's that?
I gotta find how you find your website. Look for it. I can't find it.
No problem. You might want to see this.
Yeah, I paid over thousands for mine.
Walking around at the Ford Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. What a great show. We run into Steve Saleen.
It's always one of our biggest shows of the year, and this part of the world, we get a lot of enthusiasts.
Right, so did you see anything that really caught your eye as far as maybe one of your cars from the past that you hadn't seen in a while?
Actually, all of them. The out of every car here, everyone brings a memory from 1984 to our newest. We just delivered this at the show to Greg and Laura Wackett.
Oh, and, that's fantastic.
It's a supercharged 775 horsepower Saleen Mustang, and it has all of the options you can get on it. So we're very excited, and this was a great place to deliver it to them.
That's great. One of the things I love about coming here, especially because, you know, my roots aren't too far away from here and the magazine was based just 3 hours from here, is I get a lot of people coming up. I love the magazine and signing a couple autographs, and people. One guy brought an old Muscle Mustang's license plate. Do you still get a charge of people telling you their Saleen stories?
Yes, it's when we do the autograph sessions, all of the old brochures, pictures taken from our racing heritage, from our car show heritage, from the magazine heritage, and it always brings back a memory. We even have, this was the one of our anniversaries of our Focus that we did, called the N20, that we had on a display at the very end of this.
I tested that car.
The guy put together a deal because it was in, this is when we had it in the movie Shaggy Dog, starring Tim Allen. The car, this particular car, was actually in the movie where Tim was driving it in a number of scenes.
Oh, wow.
So that was, I had forgotten about that, and he brought it back and showed me, and it was like, wow, that really takes you back a little bit.
That's cool. And then seeing the colors that you produced, some of the funky stuff, like there's a green car behind us. I know that one's beryllium over there, and I think I recognize the lipstick red.
Yeah, we actually have, we believe actually that everything is in black with black wheels. We actually like, not that we don't like that look, but we also like a lot of color as well. And so we have from lipstick red, the sour apple green, the beryllium car. We have the 7-Up truck that you can see with this special paint. We have the California sunset look, and the Orange County orange, which is the one over here. And so we have 14 unique colors that I've developed over the years,
right.
And we must have 5 or 6 of them here at this show.
Do you get a lot of call for people wanting those colors for like repaints and stuff like that?
Generally, the people that have those colors take extremely good care of the cars, and but we do have right now in production, I think we have 2 or 3 in production that are getting special paint jobs. We don't have any Molly Pop pinks yet, but the gentleman that put together the green car on it, he has the Molly Pop pink as well, so maybe next year we can get him to bring that.
Awesome. I do love that color, and it was great catching up with you, Steve. I got to get out to Southern California and see you out there.
You need to come out and look at our latest offering, and it isn't just Mustangs. We have the trucks and upcoming Bronco, and you may see a supercar or 2 yet.
And Steve always takes me to good restaurants when I come visit him, so that's a good reason to go there too.
Very good.
Cool. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
All right, so we ran into Fox Body fan Steve Concola. He's from Johnstown, PA. That's where they filmed the movie Slapshot. So I know the town well. Said he loves the channel, and we're filming some stuff here with my buddy Matt Morgan. What do you love about the channel?
Coverage of Fords.
You look like you
And
were
your
having a
personality.
blast here.
Oh, absolutely. And just all your knowledge.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
We're just out here having fun, you know?
Mr. Magazine.
Yeah, I do too.
I know.
You getting a call? Oh, that's you.
That's me. Hilton, this
All right,
is more important.
let's-
I just loved the magazine when he was the editor, and I miss it.
Yeah, I missed the magazine too, but you having fun out here at Carlisle? What brings you out?
absolutely. Fords.
There's a lot of them here, right?
Absolutely. You can't see everything.
Well, I appreciate you saying hello.
Absolutely.
We like meeting all the fans that come
Yep.
up and greet us, and that's why we're here. To give,
Okay.
create the best content for you guys. So thanks, Steve.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
Beautiful pieces. He could have them framed for you as well. They could be autographed for you. And on top of that, we get everybody here. All the designers like Kurt. You want to pick up the other one? Yeah. We have many more inside.
over 3,000 cars and trucks scattered across this wonderful place. Dyno stuff, Ford GTs, everybody's checking out. We're gonna put a wrap on this 2025 Carlisle. We're gonna come back next year and show you everything we can. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching the REVan channel. And as always, come back for more.